Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to use the Uber Pro Card. The Uber Pro Card is a debit MasterCard that you can use just like a bank card. When you complete trips, your earnings can go directly to this card. You can then use the card to pay for fuel, charging, and other purchases anywhere MasterCard is accepted. The card gives you cashback rewards on gas and electric vehicle charging. The amount you earn depends on your Uber Pro status. Drivers with higher status earn more cashback. You can see your current status in the Uber Driver app. To earn cash back, always use your Uber Pro card at the gas pump. When you pay for fuel, select credit or bypass PIN at the pump. This tells the system to apply the cashback reward. Do not enter your PIN number if you want to receive cashback. The cashback is usually added to your card within a few business days. You can track these rewards inside the Uber Pro Card app under the Wallet or Rewards area. You can also use the card to access extra rewards. Some gas stations and programs provide rebates when you buy eligible fuel or items. These rebates appear as separate credits in the app after the purchase is completed. Thanks for watching.